Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to master Google Keep step by step. This is the full guide for 2026, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to Keep Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Start by creating a new note. Click Take a Note, add a title, and write your note. To organize your notes, use labels for categories such as work, personal, study, or shopping. Change the note color using the palette icon to separate different types of notes visually. Pin important notes by clicking the pin icon so they always stay at the top. Create checklists for tasks and to-do lists, and use reminders to get notifications at the right time. You can also add images and drawings to make your notes more useful. Use the search bar to quickly find notes by keywords, labels, colors, reminders, or note types. Archive old notes to keep your main notes area clean without deleting them. If you need a full document, click More, then copy to Google Docs and open the document for advanced editing. You can switch between Grid View and List View depending on how you prefer to organize your notes. By using labels, colors, reminders, checklists, search, archive, and Google Docs integration, you can manage your notes efficiently and become a Google Keep Power user. That's how to master Google Keep in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Google Keep tutorials. See you in the next video.